Can we call our next contestant from category 2, please?
My name is Pia. I study in Freedom International School, Class 4B.
Pia, your first word is auspicious.
Auspicious.
That's right. Beneath.
Beneath.
That's right. Carriage.
Carrage.
That's wrong. Depth.
Deapth.
That's wrong. Nostalgia.
Nostalgia.
That's right. Diaper.
Diaper.
That's right. Curriculum.
Curriculum.
That's right. Dictionary.
Dictionary.
That's right. Evidence.
Evidence.
That's right. Different.
Different.
That's right. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
That's right. Siesta.
Siesta.
That's right. Accessory.
Accessory.
That's wrong. All right, you did a fair bit for sure. You were good in your own parts for sure. And you've got 10 right answers to your credit. Really well done. That's good going. We are very, very well done to our second contestant.